Aloha to all. Now, in this part, I'm going to discuss about one of the online browser which helps me to proceed further to do my research work and analysis in Python. Now, this is you can see it is very clearly given the address. You can note down collab.research.google.com /notebook / welcome to IPyNB. Then you have got the hash sign scroll to, and this is the entire link. Now, this is one of my favorite browser, and I do maximum of my research in Python in this particular browser itself, which is online, absolutely free. It's open source. Anybody, anywhere, anytime. Only thing that you require is a good internet and the outcome which is there. You can log in with your mobile phones also, over your mobile phones, smartphones, Android phones. You can definitely use, and this is available to us. Now, very quickly, I will not be entering into the details. However, I'll be showcasing to you what are the various features, number one. Number two, what are the different parts of this particular online browser. So here you will see on the top it is written, welcome to Colaboratory. That's number one. And this is the sign, share, all these things, my link ID with the Google one. Everything has been showcased to you on the first line. Second line is the menu, file, edit, view, insert, runtime, tools, help. Later, right now I'm just giving you the introduction that yes, it has got how we can use it and in what way each one of them is different from the other will be taken care in a separate video of mine in the playlist itself. Then we have got the edit button out here. Then view, what are the various things which are available. Insert is this one. Runtime, definitely yes, run all. I'll be discussing this also as to how each one of them is different from the other. Then what are the various tools we have got so that we can use it while I'm running my own code. Now, apart from that, you have got code. So once you click on it, you will see that you will be taken to the code line out here. This is the one where you can do whatever coding you would like to take care. You can code out in this manner. Then the next one immediately to code is plus text. So in case you want to use some kind of a text and you want to copy paste from there and then enter, see now isn't it amazing one to do it. Now if you don't want to run the code, if you are comfortable to do it, trust me, after 5 or 10 times, first of all you learn each and every coding line, and 6th or 7th time or 10th time definitely you will be able to do it. Before that you can write your own code out here, completely copy, and then you can paste it out here. While running, I'll be showcasing to you this one. Now second, since it is coming from Google, you will see that the entire coding that you have got, you don't have to save it as separately. You can copy it to the drive and immediately it will be placed. And just because they are coming up with the G Suite marketplace, a lot of other facilities are available to us which we can see. So you can find it out, the entire chain that is being formed between the coding. Either you can code it directly in the code line, or if you want, you can use the textbook, that is notepad, and you can utilize that one, or you can copy to the drive also. So you can see how well the technology is helping you in each and every manner. Now this is the table of contents as to what all things are available to us. Introducing Colaboratory, this is something that I always showcase to my students also, so that they are able to know. Now this is a 3-minute video which gives us the view entirely about the what exactly is Colaboratory. The person that you can see out here with a nice smile is none other than Jake Vanderplas. He is the popular writer, I should say very famous for his book on Python, and it's like a Bible. In fact, I would say that anybody who is a serious person to learn about Python, programming language, they are going to glue to this particular book itself. And he's an awesome person again. He's always available to help you out, and a wonderful person to interact, and tremendous. I mean, at a very young age, I would say these developers have got tremendous power, I should say. Not only the power, but the depth of the knowledge about a particular thing. So even in case you are stuck up with something, you can approach to them and they are available to help you out completely. Then getting started, how you can do it, more resources. Everything else is available to us on this particular platform. So here I am going ahead and showcasing to you my first I should say welcoming you all to the world of the Python with this one. And here you can see I'm simply writing print number one. This is what it is. Open the brackets. Within the inverted commas you can write hello groupies. Now Python is the language. Now from group you have got this one, you can call it as groupies. So I have also started coming up with my own word. So I call groupies, which means that collection of all the people who are interested with Python programming language. So that's how it goes about it with this particular video. So I'll be coming up with more in my next part. Till then, thanks, and I really appreciate each one of you sparing some of your time and learning the Python language, and I'm pretty sure very soon each one of you would be the master also. Till then, thanks and take care. Bye.